Good morning, all. Very good morning. Welcome, Samir Deshkar Atomy Academy Nagpur. My channel name is Samir Deshkar Atomy Academy Nagpur. My name is Samir Sharad Deshkar. I am from Nagpur, India. Today we will talking about immunity. Today we will talking about immunity and why it's required in our body. Currently, Omicron virus has spreading largely at worldwide. Currently, Omicron virus has spreadly largely at worldwide. Only our natural immunity power will protect from all type of viruses, including coronavirus. Only our natural immunity power will protect from all type of viruses, including coronavirus. Due to COVID, many of families in worldwide lost their family members. In COVID situation or due to COVID, many of families in lockdown or worldwide lost their family members. Once again, I repeated this sentence. Due to COVID, many of families in worldwide lost their family members. Worldwide total coronavirus cases and deaths are as follows. Per 1 million people cases is 36076. 36,076 cases per 1 million people and deaths 693. Coronavirus cases per 1 million 36076 and deaths 693. Total cases in US, total cases around worldwide 28.1 cr, 28.1 cr and death 54.1 lakh. 54.1 lakh total deaths. United States 5.28 CR cases, 8.17 lakh deaths. India 3.48 CR cases, 4.8 lakh deaths. Brazil 2.23 CR cases, 6.19 lakh deaths. UK total corona cases 1.22 CR, death 1.48 lakhs. Russia 1.02 CR cases and 2.99 lakh deaths. What is immunity power? What is immunity power and why it's required to our human body, our body? Okay, a strong immune system. A strong immune system helps to keep a person healthy. The immune system consists of organs, cells, tissues and proteins. Together, these carry out bodily process that fight off pathogens. Which are the viruses, bacteria and foreign bodies that cause infection and diseases. The immune system consists of organs, cells, tissues and proteins. Together, these carry out bodily process that fight off pathogens, which are the viruses, bacteria and foreign bodies that causes infection and diseases. That's why we have required a strong health supplement, because that's why we have required a strong health supplement that will provide a strong immunity booster and protects from all type of viruses. In my company, one of the world best food supplement available. It boosts our immune power and generate NK cells. NK cells means natural killer cells for destroying any type of viruses from our body. In my company, one of the world best food supplement available. It boosts our immune power and generate NK cells, means natural killer cells for destroying any type of bacteria or virus from our body. The product name is Hemohim is a health supplement. Hemohim is a health supplement which is used to increase immune system, which is used to improve in immune system. The ingredients used in Hemohim are Angelica gigas, Canabidium officinate root, Pannonia japonica root. The analysis for the products has been done by EPA and FDA regulations. The analysis of Hemohim products done by EPA and FDA regulations. EPA means United States Environmental Protection Agency and FDA means Food, Drugs and Administration. Hemohim will give you energy, improve your immune system, functions and body functions. This product is able to achieve excellent result through high purity refinery technology, delivering a precise formula of the purest and effective in each packet, in each and every packet. Atomy is a e-commerce company and presently available in more than 14 countries. Presently available in than more 40 countries. Basically, Atomy is a South Korean company. Atomy is a e-commerce company and presently available in more than 40 countries. Basically, Atomy is a South Korean company. Atomy Hemohim available in following countries on e-commerce platform. Atomy Hemohim health supplement immunity booster available in following countries on e-commerce website platform. Okay, first is Korea, Taiwan, USA, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, Canada, Japan, Thailand, Mexico, Australia, Indonesia, Cambodia, Russia, Colombia, Hong Kong, India, New Zealand, Turkey, United Kingdom, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Portugal, Vietnam. In these countries, Hemohim available on e-commerce platform sites. Atomy own e-commerce platform site. In next few years, Atomy will be available in following countries also. In next few years, Atomy available in following 60 to 70 countries. Okay. Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Norway, Roland, Romania, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, Argentina, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Georgia, Guatemala, Macau, Maldives, Mongolia, Nepal, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, South Africa, Tajikistan, Turkestan, Ukraine and Uzbekistan. For purchasing Hemohim, kindly register yourself on Atomy e-commerce platform. For purchasing Hemohim, kindly register yourself on Atomy e-commerce platform as a consumer. For purchasing Hemohim, kindly register yourself on Atomy e-commerce platform as a consumer. For registration process, only required reference ID. For registration process, only required reference ID. Kindly contact me, direct message or WhatsApp or Telegram or email on 932539896. My email ID is ssdeshkar@rediffmail.com. S small s, once again more small s, double s, ssdeshkar DESHKAR@rediffmail.com. This is a MLM company. Atomy is a MLM company, so don't worry about company. Return policy also available as per Amazon, eBay and Alibaba e-commerce websites or platforms. a hemoheme not available in open market, a hemoheme not available in open market, only available on Atomy websites for Atomy consumers only. So hurry up. Register yourself and buy hemoheme for your whole family and improve their immune system. Will fight every type of lethal viruses. So hurry up, register yourself and buy hemoheme for your whole family and improve their immune system. Will fight every type of lethal viruses. You heard that Pfizer's launch Paxlovid tablets. You heard that Pfizer's company launched Paxlovid tablets for the treatment of mild to moderate coronavirus diseases. Cost for the same is 40,000 Indian rupees for 5 tab, approx $535 as per US dollars. Okay, just Pfizer launched one tablet, that name is Paxlovid, for the treatment of mild to moderate coronavirus disease. Cost for the same is $535 or Indian rupees 40,000 rupees for 5 days, 5 tablet. Okay. Our hemoheme health supplement cost is $92 for 60 pouch. $92 for 60 pouch means 1 month dose 6440 cost as per Indian rupees. 6,440 rupees for 60 pouch cost. 60 pouch cost as per Indian rupees, and as per US dollar $92 and $352 for a 240 pouch. $352 for 240 pouches of hemoheme, 4 month dose. 240 pouches means 4 month dose. Cost is $352 and in Indian rupees 24640 rupees. 24,640 rupees cost as per Indian rupees. Per day, 2 pouches required for boost immune system. 100% organic compound available in hemoheme. Per day, 2 pouches required for boost immune system and 100% organic compounds are available in hemoheme. Once again I requested you, kindly register yourself and save your life. Once again I requested you, kindly register yourself on Atomy e-commerce platform and save your life, your family life, your relatives life, your friends life, and also save your country from harmful viruses, and save your country also from harmful viruses. My number also available on screen. Kindly call me. WhatsApp, Telegram, direct message also available. I am also available on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. For reference number, call me or DM me, WhatsApp me. My number is 932539896. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video, press bell icon for this type of amazing videos or this type of knowledge. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome. Bye bye.